Hello, my name is Sham, and today I will explain our SRS document of agrocare project. So, this is my team members, and we have some table of content here. This is a weekly deliverable which we did for over the whole semester. And our document, the purpose is like to plan everything, execute, and development process of the smart farming web application. It acts a communication tool and between our members. Apart from that, I have project proposal like in current day to day life there are a lot of problems farmers and people who have less knowledge in farming they are having so much problem related to having the disease identification and how to take care of it and advanced AI solutions like there are very less in this field, so we are upcoming with the solution with that, and we are AI powered tools to identify crops, detect disease, location based weather and climate updates. We also give personalized recommendation for crops cares and soil health. We have a trusted marketplace where people can buy and sell their products. We also have a feature where beginner friendly guidance to help new user and start with farming, and the real time dashboard where you can track your health of your crops and plants. Apart from that, we have a stakeholder and user table where you can see our all the stakeholders name, category and roles. And apart from that, we have a lot of functional requirement in this project. So first one is a user management where user can register, log in, log out and manage his profile. So like he can update something, if he want to delete something he can do it. uh, we will store all the information in the database, and we have a image upload and analysis feature where user will upload an image and we will do analysis of that, and we will give what kind, like we will give answer based on the whatever the user have chosen for like identification or the disease diagnosis, or to give a solution on based on whatever the disease and where user is located for location and the weather data. Apart from that, we also have a recommended and AI assistant where we give care tips on specific plants and crops. We also have a AI chat assistant where user can ask anything, something like ChatGPT, but more relatable with knowledge in particular field. We also have a location based advice. We have a plant health monitoring where user can monitor the health history and progress tracking. We have a dashboard where user can manage his crop and see upcoming weather and related solutions and what he can do something in prior, and get more about get more about his upcoming weather data and all. We have a feature where he can add more plants also. We have a marketplace functionality where user can list any item for sale or rent, or anyone also can buy it. So anybody can search item based on the location and item keywords and contact the seller. We also have a new feature for quick start support where new user just can take a photo of their area where they want to grow something, and they just type a small prompt what they want to grow, and depending on whatever they have written and where they live, we give some suggestions, and depend on the whatever the season is coming, and we give where they can find the equipments and all stuff. uh, we have a non-functional requirement. So first one is the operational, which is our ability, our like all our functional requirement can be available for all the time, and performance requirement, response time should not be more, and security concerns. So our project scope is like who can use our project. So anybody who have no knowledge, or uh, they already have knowledge, or person who needs some help and needs some AI related assistant, they can use project. Moreover, we also give the searching and filtering marketplace, all the feature we I just which I just discussed. And our web application will be accessible for all of the browsers, and but it will not be a native mobile application. We have real-time chat support. We will not have real-time chat supports and live stock or any logistic delivery tracking system. We have some risk and response as well, which you can see like the whatever the API we are going to use it. Maybe it can be like not the 100% sure, but we will try to figure out the way which by that we can give the accurate answers. But still it's depend on the third party service, and whatever the system we use for a chatbot, it's also third party APIs. Due to high storage cost, maybe, or you whatever the image user upload, the answer or the solution is depends on whatever the image he uploads. So what if he uploads some low quality or like very very high quality image, so it also increase our cost of database. We have some operational environment, so like smartphone, tablet, laptop, everything works fine, and for the developer we will use different kind of technologies to build it, and some database and the image storing and hosting development we will use AWS and HTTP secure connections. We also are done with our UI mockup and some kind of diagrams which we will help us in development phases. We have some business rules like user must be provide the username and email address and some necessary stuff, and whatever wherever the user write any prompt or anything on our website, it should be no more than certain characters limit. System must be like used by users, location, everything should be secure. AI images analysis results should be delivered within like couple of seconds, and the system must maintain the 99.99% on uptime on like any time of the day. Apart from that, we have some use case and specification with the corresponding interface mockup. So we have some business, whatever the business rule we had for, we have like one business rule statement, one description, and the mockup idea for all of our business rules. Apart from that, we have some activity diagrams which we will which shows how our flow will work in the database and the system for each feature, for user registration and login and image and result and recommendation AI chat assistant we have for the marketplace feature. So this is like kind of activity diagrams which we have for the plant health monitoring system, and we have a domain class diagram in which we will have like six core classes. User will have their own property, and which it will be associated with the identification, disease diagnosis, marketplace, dashboard, AI chatbot. We have some dummy database here. We are going to use a NoSQL database. So for that, we have put some dummy data right here. So just for our understanding and the development phase to make it easy, we have first name, last name, email, and other stuff. We have identification, disease diagnosis, dashboard, marketplace where user will have a title or description, image, price, type, location, and other stuff. We have work breakdown structure. So we like put our development phases into the six or seven parts, and what like each task can have a multiple task, and each multi like the subtask can have a workflow. So we just like it's a very long image, so we cannot see it properly here. We have milestone and acceptance criteria for the next semester. So we try to figure out how we will do development, and like for each functionality we are giving around 1 month. So like to build a identification feature, a marketplace feature and all. So we have a 10 around milestones here, yeah, 10. And after that we have a implementation and schedule and how we will deploy our code and what we will use. We are going to use a agile scrum to make it, and we have a sprints for that for the 4 months. So like say fifth month, sixth, seven and eight and ninth month. So this is our SRS document, which is done by like my group two team members, and for the whole semester. And in the next semester, we are going to start the development phase. Thank you so much.